Addition of integers. To add two integers with the same sign, add the absolute value and keep the same sign. For example, both positive 3 plus 5, that would be 8. 14 plus 6 equals 20. Kung negative naman, both negative, that would be negative 3 plus negative 5, still 8, but this time it's negative. Negative 14 plus negative 6 equals negative 20. To add two integers with different signs, subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger absolute value and keep the sign of the larger absolute value. For example, positive number has larger absolute value 3. Negative 3 plus 5, that would be 5 minus 3, positive 2. Similarly, 14 plus negative 6, that is 14 minus 6 equals 8. Pag naman yung negative number has larger absolute value, we still subtract. 3 plus negative 5, that would be 5 minus 3, pero negative ang magiging sagot. So that would be negative 2. Negative 14 plus 6 would be 14 minus 6, pero negative, again, negative 8.